What I'm about to show you is dangerous, but y'all gotta see what I made. See, anytime you're cutting up firewood, you end up with limbs, right? What I'm about to show you is dangerous, and I really wish you wouldn't do what I'm about to show you. Maybe you got some of these little limb snippers. Maybe you got some loppers. You know what those do. This is not what this video is about, but this is an excellent little tool. Works with your DeWalt batteries. It's a great little limb chipper. I will put a link to this right down in the description, but y'all got to see what I made. This little thing's pretty cool. But when you get to this bigger stuff, it ain't gonna cut it. Do not, this is dangerous, okay? Very dangerous. I made this thing, I don't know, quite a few years ago. It's been sitting out behind the building. I ain't used it in a few years, and I took it out, the darn thing still works. I did put some oil in it. I found this, I think, behind a dumpster, beside it, I don't know, laying somewhere, somebody at the scrapyard, I don't know. I found it. And it is regular electric, it's not gas. I guess you could make one. All I did was I zip tied the trigger, so it's on all the time. When you plug this bad boy in, she's running. No, I'm not sponsored by Blue Eddy, but that's what I'm gonna use today. Usually I just stick a little generator up here and got a drop cord, plug it up when I'm ready to cut. But today we're gonna try out the Blue Eddy on it. I'm not sponsored. I'll put a link to this right down in the description for you. Affiliate link below. The cool part about this thing is when you cut stuff, it self-loads right in the doggone trailer for you. Now ain't that cool? And let's hit our, which one? I can't, the sun is shining in my eyes. I can't see anything. All right, I think it lit up. Again, don't try this at home. There's no safeties, no nothing, okay? Nothing. So here we go. Will she work? Which way's the plug go? You gotta watch that chain, man. That was real time. I did not fast forward that clip at all. Any of them I didn't, I don't know. That one I didn't fast forward. Now all I did, I just bolted the darn thing to some angle iron, put some angle iron up on the trailer. Made me a little tip guard there so you don't happen to hit that. This is the dangerous part. Well, folks, Appreciate you tuning back in to T-Bone After Hours. Y'all click that subscribe button. Share this channel with your friends. Share this video with your friends. Check out Rayleigh's Small Engines on Facebook. We're on Facebook there. We also have Rayleigh's Small Engine YouTube channel. Go subscribe to that one. And I'm going to put a link to that little clipper yellow tool with your DeLalt battery. Well, they don't come with a battery, but I'm going to put one of them right down in the description for you. I'll see you next time. Oh, I got to cut the doggone thing on. Y'all flip the switch.